my loves, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're having an amazing day. My name is Janai, and if you're new here, I make beauty, lifestyle, and fashion videos. Today I am going to be sharing with you my October favorites, so if that's something you're interested in seeing, continue watching. So this month was a pretty low-key month. I didn't really wear much makeup. I really focused on my skincare and my fashion bits, and plus I didn't really do much where I needed to wear a lot of makeup. I think today is the most makeup that I've worn since my birthday, honestly. And yeah, but I want to jump right into what I was loving for the month of October. I'm going to start off with my beauty bits. And so the three products that I want to start off with are going to be hair care products. I have been loving the Aussie line. You can find this at Walmart, Target, CVS. It's a really affordable hair care line, and they have different products that cater to different hair types. I have really curly hair, which, to be completely honest, I didn't realize that I had really curly hair up until I just chopped my hair off. I have not used any heat in my hair for over a year. Now it's going on like a year and a half since I put actual heat in my hair, and it's the healthiest it's ever been. It's just so curly and soft that I've been using these products to really learn how to style my hair, give it a little bit more bounce, have a little bit more of a curl. I just love these products. The first product that I'm really loving is the Miracle Curl Co-Wash. This is great in between washes, so that you don't dry out your curls. I actually wash my hair once a week, and then in between washes I will use this about another once to twice a week. And this just really helps add moisture back into your curls. It makes them really soft, and it cleanses out any debris or anything that you have it. So it doesn't feel heavy on your hair or anything. It doesn't leave that residue that sometimes really thick cleansers or masks can leave your hair feeling really sticky and sticky and like oily and gross. But this doesn't do that at all. It's really gentle on your hair, really gentle on the curls. I really love this product from them. And then the next product that I really like by Aussie is the Miracle Curls Curl Defining Oil. This is my second tube of this, and it has, all of them have coconut and Australian jojoba oil. This I just really love. It's the first product that I tried from the line, and what this does is it really defines your curls. It adds moisture to it, and it just leaves it really soft, and it does not feel heavy. That's another thing. I feel like sometimes oils can be really heavy on your hair, and this one isn't at all. Then the last product that I am loving is their cream pudding, and this just helps get rid of any frizz. I don't use this on a daily basis, but like sometimes I'll spritz water in my hair in between washes and stuff just to refresh the curls, and then I'll take a little bit of this and just work it into my hair and into the ends, and it just adds a little bit more of a curl, and it refreshes my curls. I do have their curl refresher, but I don't really use that as much as I use these three products. The next two products I'm going to talk about are some skincare products that I have been testing for the whole month of October. I got it at the end of the month for my birthday, and I have just been loving these two products in particular. It's the Ordinary brand, and it is their Buffet Serum and Caffeine Solution with 5% EGC. Serum as well for the under eye. This helps get rid of discoloration, puffiness. I've noticed such a big difference. It helps with reduces the appearance of eye contour, pigmentation, and of puffiness. This really does work. I highly recommend this. I feel like I've noticed a difference as far as pigmentation. Of course, on days that I don't sleep well, that's when you need a little extra concealer, but nonetheless, that's really good for an affordable eye serum. You can always use an eye cream over it, and yeah, I just been loving that. And then the Buffet is a peptide serum, so it basically helps with basically everything it targets. So fine lines, wrinkles, surface dehydration. It's just a really good serum that kind of, if you're not familiar with the line, this is a good startup formula, especially if you're looking to target fine lines and wrinkles or first signs of aging. I do recommend this. So the next two products are going to be makeup. Two makeup bits that I picked up again for my birthday at the end of September, and I have just been loving them. It's what I have on my face. It's the foundation and concealer that I'm currently wearing, and it's the Milk Flex Foundation, which comes like that, and this is what it looks like. I love it. It has a magnetic top, or is it even magnetic? No, it's not a magnetic top, but it has a really good cap on it. The shade that I wear is Golden Honey. I suggest going to look at the colors because I was a little confused, so I tried it out and then I found my perfect shade. So yeah, I've been loving this foundation. It's so good. And then the concealer that I purchased along with it was the Overachiever Concealer by Huda Beauty, and this is an amazing concealer as far as like to hide darkness, hyperpigmentation. I use this only under the eye, but I have been loving this concealer. It's so good, full coverage, covers everything. I have a lighter shade, so I use it down my nose just to brighten a bit. Highly recommend the Huda Beauty Overachiever Concealer. And that's pretty much it for the beauty products. I'm gonna go jump into two accessory items that I've been loving, and then I'm gonna go into some lifestyle pieces that I have just been loving and using pretty much every day in October. So for fashion pieces, I have just been loving headbands. They're so good, they're so fun. They can dress up a casual outfit. You can wear them out and about. You can dress it up, you can dress them down. This one I picked up in Target, and it was $10 in Target. So I wanted something with a little bit of an animal print, and I think that this one is just perfect. Oh, my camera's gonna die. The other two that I have are this one that I got from Primark. This one I've worn so many times. And then this one that I got from Forever 21. I just love the print on this one, so it's so pretty. And those are the two fashion pieces that I have been wearing non-stop. The headbands are just my favorite right now. I'm so happy that they're trendy again. So I just love that. And now I'm gonna jump into my lifestyle favorites. So one of the things that I really enjoyed in the month of October is creating content for you guys. And two things that really helped me to like sit down, brainstorm and everything is my notebook, which has all my notes. You can kind of see that I have so many different things. I have papers stapled into here, and I really treat this like a journal notebook. Everything goes in here, whatever I'm gonna plan for the week, any list that I have to do. I just love writing everything down. I got this journal in Target, and I just love the print. And I also love that you can date it, and then here you can write some reminders for the week. So I do use this bit a lot, especially if I have a doctor's appointment or if I want to remember to do something. I will write my follow-ups in my notebook, but it's just a great way for me to brainstorm and create better content for you guys and what I really want to do. So I've been loving journaling and having this. This basically comes with me everywhere. And then the last product the last bit that I have just been so over the moon about and so excited because it's just gonna elevate my channel even more is I picked up the GoPro Hero 8. I received this for my birthday. It's so teeny tiny. I'm obsessed with it. It's like the best birthday gift ever. I cannot wait to go out and just film for you guys. But I'm gonna cut this short because my camera is dying and because I already filmed this and the files were corrupt. And yeah, but I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know in a comment down below what your current favorites are and what you enjoyed seeing in on my channel. So yeah guys, I hope you enjoy. Have a wonderful, blessed weekend, And until my next video, I'll be seeing you